Hi everyone, I am here with Tina and we are going to model the intervention kit 3.1, one more, one less, and counting on for you. I am going to play the role of the teacher, she is going to play the role of the student, and if we had multiple students here, we will show you kind of what that would look like too. So for supplies in your kit, you should have your direction sheet. You can always watch this lovely video. Recording sheet for each student. So I'm going to stop for take a second and I'm going to write down Tina's name on here and any other students that I might have so I can record their progress. You will have a reference sheet in case the student needs it, and a set of cards that look like this with the numbers with a line either before or after, and then another little set of number cards for the closing. At all times you should have a marker board and eraser available. Okay, so we're going to start off, and hi Tina, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks Miss Veronica. How are you?
I'm great. I'm excited to do some math with you.
Oh yes, counting on.
Are you ready?
I am.
Okay, we're going to get warmed up and we're just going to count back and forth, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to start with 1. After 1 comes
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8.
and we would keep going, and if we had multiple students, we would do 1, 2, 3, and we would help each other out if we get stuck. All right, excellent, Tina. So sounds like you can count up to 20, so I'm going to write this down, counted 2, and what number you were able to do it without assistance. And now we are going to play our game for today. Are you ready?
I love games.
Okay, this is one more, one less. And these are the cards, and you are going to keep the card as a point if you are able to find one more or one less.
And the white cards are for the beginner, and the yellow cards are for intermediate.
Oh.
So these go through 20, and I believe these go through 10.
Perfect. So if we're starting off, we're going to start off with the white cards. Okay, so Tina, what is 1 more than 6?
7.
Okay, get to keep that as a point. All right, Tina, what is 1 more than 3?
5.
Ooh, Tina, let's take a peek here. Our sheet. All right, so you're close, but it's not 5. Here's 5. What is 1 more than 3, Tina?
4.
You got it. Okay, all right. What is 1 less than 6?
5.
Absolutely. Boy, you're getting a lot of points. Okay, and actually, you know what? I should have kept this one because we had to use the reference sheet, so I'm going to get to keep that point. All right, we're going to keep going. All right, so we would do this for about 5 minutes, and we would play with multiple students if we had them. All right, for our closing, Tina, I'm going to let you draw one of these just number cards. Go ahead. All right, and if we have multiple students, they would each get to draw one. And what did you get, Tina?
I got 14.
You have 14. Tina, will you write the number 14 on the board for me? Oh. There you go. Okay, and Tina, can you count on from 14 and write those numbers? So what comes after 14? What's one more?
15.
Okay, and can you keep going, and we're going to try to write the next 3 numbers.
4. 16.
And one more.
17.
Beautiful, Tina. Thank you very much. And so on my recording sheet, I would record if she was able to do 1 more, 1 less, and make any comments and notes. And then I would also write down what number she drew and that she could write the 3 numbers that came off of it, or if she could not. And that is this intervention kit. Thank you.